Hi, this is Artsy Mamas, and I just want to do a super quick tutorial on how to glue felt. I know this can be a little tricky to do, so I will show you my tips for that. My favorite glue is tacky glue. I use this for almost everything. Not everything, but a lot of things. It's a really good multi-purpose glue. And I like this. I found this really awesome little container where it sits upright, because tacky glue is really thick, so it can be frustrating to use because it takes so long to get it to come out. But this container sits this way so that it's always down at the tip, and this nice lid seals it in there, because these can get gummed up really easily, and that's also frustrating. But tacky glue is what I recommend. And when you glue felt, the trick is to use small amount and not to press the felt really hard, because you'll just push the glue into the felt and it won't really adhere the two pieces. It'll just kind of absorb into the felt. So if I wanted to attach this green piece to this basket here, kind of like a little Easter basket, and this is my little green grass, what I would do is make sure I've got my shapes the way I want them, and I'm just gonna put little dots on my felt here. So you can see it's just a small amount. You don't want to use very much. And I just like to use little dots like that, get them on there. And then the next trick after you have your dots is to get that lined up and just give it the most gentle little press. Like, you do want to make contact with the other piece, but you don't want to push very hard at all. You really want it to be almost like a little sandwich, like you've got your top piece of felt, your bottom felt, and that glue in between there. You don't want to press it down. That's the biggest mistake I would say people make. And then you do want to set that aside to dry for, 10, 20 minutes up to an hour, just to make sure it's nice and secure. So that's my trick to gluing felt. I think tacky glue is my favorite glue.